Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, kung what resonates, bali hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, of course. Hindi ko talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Earth Sign sa mundo. Pero okay lang yon. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. If you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading. Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Okay, wait lang guys. Okay, so let's start. Ma-appreciate ko kung magka-comment kayo sa baba. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Ten of Wands, the Six of Coins for Earth sign, please. Pwede magkapalit-palit roles dito, ha? You do have here Nine of Wands and Nine of Swords. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Six of Swords. Okay. So, some of you might be pwedeng marami kang obligasyon, responsibilidad, at medyo may mga pinagdadaanan ka ngayon na medyo mahirap or mabigat para sa'yo. Maybe you're stressed. I mean, nakikita ko kasing problem sa'yo is inaako mo lahat. Pwedeng may mga dinadala kang problema or pagsubok, tapos, or you might be a breadwinner para sa iba. O yung iba sa inyo, marami ka lang talagang inaasikaso ginagawa. Eh yun nga, kasi nga masyado mong inaako lahat. And ito yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng stress at problema. Yung iba kasi, mahilig kang tumulong, and yung kakatulong mo, minsan wala na natitira sa'yo. The Nine of Wands, this is your person, Nine of Swords. I feel like may mga pinagdadaanan siyang problema, pagsubok ngayon sa buhay niya. This person is currently stressed. Some of you, this is a person in the past. With the Six of Swords, nakikita natin. If this is a past person, maybe naka-move on ka na sa connection ninyo. Nagfo-focus ko na ngayon sa self-love, self-care. You're trying to be, focus on happiness. You want to be happy. And pwedeng naka-move on ka na sa person na to. Pero part of you is that you're still thinking about this person. Pero sabihin na natin yung sakit, yung lungkot, wala na. Kasi nga, naka-move on ka na. Pero nandun pa rin yung bigat na dinadala mo. Nandun pa rin yung kahit papano may longing or pwedeng may question ka pa rin about sa kanya. Might be the reason kung bakit nandito ka pa rin at nanonood sa tarot readings, kasi hindi pa rin nasasagot yung mga katanungan sa isip mo about sa taong ito. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. You do have your healthy choices, Hammer and Hand of Cards. The Chaser, Love Call, and Stab in the Back. Separation is at the bottom of the deck. Okay. Might be for some of you, tinatry mong mag-focus sa sarili mo. Ano yung mga may improve mo sa sarili mo. You're doing, self-love and self-care here. And pagdating sa, it might be some of you do have choices pagdating sa love, and sa ngayon medyo ini-enjoy mo na lang kasi yung sitwasyon mo kung nasaan ka man. Maybe you're still thinking about this person, pero sabi ko nga, pwedeng kasi may question ka na lang sa isip mo. Maybe may question ka kung kamusta na ba siya, or ano bang emotion sa'yo nitong taon, mga ganong lang. And then yung person na to with the chaser and the love call, this person gusto niya ng communication connection sa inyo. Gusto niyang makausap ka, maybe even through phone, through chat, through video call. Pero this person pwedeng nasasaktan kasi siya eh. I feel like dinedeny niya yung emotions niya. Sa inyong dalawa, you do have the chaser. You could be dealing with the chaser. Or chaser in a way na pwedeng hindi mo nararamdaman na siya yung parang mas higit na may gusto sa'yo ngayon. Might be in the past, ikaw yung may gusto sa kanya, pero ngayon, mas nangingibabaw yung pagkagusto niya sa'yo. Yeah. So, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? Okay, Knight of Coins, Nine of Coins, and the Two of Wands. Six of Swords, Two of Coins, and okay. Ito lang yung kukunin ko, yung isang nakahiwalay. I want to clarify the King of Coins, please. Clarified by the Five of Cups. Makikita mo yung picture dito, it's so sad. Here with the Five of Cups. Well, I'm seeing you in the future. You are focusing on your money. Nakikita natin, you do have a lot of clients. You do have a lot of maybe customers if you're a businessman, businesswoman, whatever your career is. Medyo nakukuha mo yung attention ng mga tao. And this would lead into you having a lot of kausap, and you will be very busy. Nakakita tayo ng mga plano sa'yo in the future, maybe with regards to your career, with regards to your business, money, all in all, may mga plano ka dyan. More on money ang focus mo dito. And I'm seeing that itong person na to is really nasasaktan in the future because might be nararamdaman niya na unti-unting nawawala, or wala kang pakialam sa kanya, or might be yung focus mo is na iba. And the Six of Swords, maaaring kasi kaya siya nasasaktan, feeling niya din naka-move on ka na or okay ka na, which is parang ayaw niya na ganun kasi might be hindi pa siya okay. And this person could be parang secretly ikaw pa rin ang nasa isip nitong taong to, kasi hindi mo siya masasaktan eh kung hindi kanya iniisip, or baliwala lang siya, or baliwala ka lang sa taong to. But I feel like importante ka sa kanya. So, nasasaktan siya na maramdaman na parang baliwala na siya sa'yo. And the 12 coins, well, this is showing us your person na meron siya mga priorities dito, and might be it is one of the reason kung bakit parang hindi niya pinipilit yung connection niya or what, dahil might be may mga bagay siya pina-priority or kung bakit hindi siya masyado nagtitake ng actions regarding sa'yo. I can see a lot of priorities here na might be ito rin yung dahilan kung ba't nai-stress siya, nalulungkot siya, nasasaktan siya. This person loves you. Pero nakita natin dito na parang mahirap para sa kanyang gumawa ng changes, ng actions, ng pagbabago. Kasi might be kailangan ng ending, big ending sa buhay niya, or may kailangan siyang i-end na parang hindi niya kayang may end basta-basta, kasi it's one of, priorities ngayon ng person na ito. And mahirap. So anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.